What is other storage on Samsung device and how to clear it? So let's get started. So firstly, Galaxy smartphones and tablets have a large amount of internal storage for you to save your pictures, videos and apps. In battery and device care, you can see a breakdown of how much storage space is being used by different items including images, videos and documents. However, you may be unsure what is the other storage category. The other storage category contains data from apps you have installed on a smartphone or tablet. It includes items such as system files, cache data, and temporary files that do not fall into any other storage categories. The data contained in the other storage category cannot be deleted directly from your device. However, you can clear some of it by deleting cache or app data. So, in order to clear app data, open Settings, then tap on the apps option available there. Now tap the app you wish to clear data from. If you delete files from an app you often use, the app will run slower. Then simply tap on the storage option available there. Then tap clear cache or clear data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.